How to change video format on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see, now this is the home page. Click on new project to upload a new video, or you can just choose from your drafts or projects here. I already have this video, so I'm gonna click on it. Now go down here and swipe right until you find the format option and choose any format you want from here. As you can see, you have many options. Choose the one that you want and it will be saved directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.